Alright, today we'll be covering lesson 31-1, solving by graphing and factoring. This lesson will be split into 6 separate sections: questions 1 to 3, questions 4 and 5, example A, question 6, questions 7 through 11, and question 12. Let's look at the introduction for questions 1 to 3. Carter, Alicia, and Joseph are building a trebuchet for an engineering competition. This is a medieval siege that uses gravity to launch an object through the air. When the counterweight at one end of the throwing arm drops, the other end rises and a projectile is launched through the air. The path the projectile takes through the air is modeled by a parabola. To win the competition, the team must build according to the competition specifications to launch a small projectile as far as possible. After conducting experiments, they varied the projectile's mass and launch angle. The team discovered that the ball they were launching followed a path given by the quadratic equation y equals -1 over 8x squared plus 2x. Number 1. Make sense of this problem. How far does the ball land from the launching point? It started at 0 and it ends here, so it lands 16 meters away from the starting point. What is the maximum height that the ball reaches? The maximum height would be here at 8 meters high. What are the x-coordinates of the points where the ball is on the ground? The ball is on the ground at at 0 meters from the launch point, so at the launch point, and 16 meters from the launch point. So those x-coordinates are 0 and 16. There is a debriefing question on the next slide. Please answer that, and then we'll move on to the next set of questions.